Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be, my name's Nicole, and today we're going to be following a tutorial by COOLSTITCHES. Please go check her out, subscribe to her channel. Her videos are so professional, unlike mine. But today is going to be a I tried following type of video, not a tutorial, because COOLSTITCHES tutorial is so much better. So I found this fabric at the thrift store for, I think it was $6. It's just a pair of corduroy pants. So let's try them on first. I love shopping for my fabric at the thrift store. I normally shop in the plus size section, or you know, the extra large, whatever, because you can get a lot more fabric that way. And this particular tutorial, it's not a tutorial. In this particular video, I wanted to use the similar fabric that she used in this photo that I saw on Pinterest, which is the photo of the green corduroy bag that she made, which is so cute. Anyway, this is a very weird voiceover. So the first things first was I had to order the pattern that she had on her website. She actually offers this pattern for free, or you have the option of paying for it. So if you want this pattern, please go check it out. I put the link in the description, and I'll also put the link to her tutorial in this description as well. But obviously the first thing you have to do is assemble the pattern and then cut out all of your fabric. So that's what we're going to do here. And I normally lately I've been using my coffee as a placeholder, as well as candles or a jar of whatever you have in your bathroom, so that you can cut out all of this stuff. This part honestly took just as long as it did to can somebody help me, please? Anyway, it took a long time to cut it out, so enjoy me cutting the rest of this fabric out. So the first thing that she does in her video is she hems the pocket. I actually didn't do this right. I mean, I did it right, but I put in little extra steps. I ended up hemming the whole thing before I attached it, which is fine. But what she does is she irons it all down. I think she hems the top only, and then she just, like, you know, puts it on the bag and then sews all the other sides. So, you know, that's fine. I did an extra step. It's whatever. And then here you'll see me using the pattern to find the right placement for where the pocket goes, and then taking that back to the machine and sewing the pocket on. Obviously don't close the top part because it's a pocket. You're not supposed to close the top part. So in her video, she recommends using a foam material interfacing. So I went ahead and found this, I think it's like a centimeter-inch thick foam, and it turned out really nice. I kind of wish it was a little bit thinner, but I really like how the structure works with the bag and the foam. That makes sense. Also, I don't know why she just like randomly does that step first and then goes back to the lining, but we're following her tutorial, so I'm doing it all exactly how she's doing it so that it can come out perfect, because every time I try and mess with the design and do something different, it always goes the other way and something bad happens. And anyway, just gonna let you watch this. And I just had to move the hole a little bit more up so that I can sew across here, because there was a hole right here. So Small fix. And there we have the finished lining. Oh my gosh, I'll show you guys later, but it's great. Look great. Oh, we're still going. Okay. So moving right along with the next steps, she basically does the exact same thing that we just did with the lining, but with the outside material, like the outside bag material, whatever. So yeah, we're going to do that next. It's 2 a.m. 4 centimeters. Nailed it. Oh my god, it's a bag! Wow. It's a bag. It's a bag. It's a bag. It's a bag. So now that we've established that it's a bag, pretty much at this part of the, I almost said assignment, I'm not in school. This part of the project, I started getting really excited because the past few projects that I've done have not been going smoothly. And this is my first time making a bag, and I can't believe that it actually turned out like this good. Oh my gosh. This is everything. Oh my gosh. It's amazing. It's actually amazing. With some self-confidence overload, I am moving on to the next part of the tutorial, the handles. Now, I have shown you how to make a scrunchie I don't know how many times on this channel, so I'm not going to go over this too much, but you're basically just going to make a scrunchie. Lastly, I am adding my own little personal touch to end the night, which is my logo, or my name. What's it called? It's not my logo, but the name of my little business. Yeah, there you go. Alright, we're moving into day 2. I am applying the details, which is these magnetic clasps that I found at Hobby Lobby for $2. Are you kidding? They were on sale, 50% off. And I'm just going to apply those where she said in the tutorial. Once again, this is not a tutorial. Go watch her video. And I had this, at first I grabbed a kitchen knife and I was like, this will work perfect. But then I remembered that I have tools for this kinds of things. So we got an X-Acto knife, which was in an appropriate size to make these holes to apply this really cute magnetic button. The last and final step, we're going to apply the lining. Now at first I was a little bit confused because the lining didn't fit the bag, like I had to squish the bag in there. But I'm trusting her, I'm trusting the process. And I totally forgot that you're supposed to flip it over, like once, you'll see later, but it makes sense in the end. So don't doubt, just trust. Let me tell you, getting this to flip inside the lining is like giving birth. Because this is also my baby, my first bag ever. I mean, come on. The last thing for me to do is to close the lining hole on the inside and then just iron that baby out until she's perfect. And we have my first ever bag. This video was so fun to film and this bag was so much fun to make. I had to make 2 of them. I really love how it turned out. I can't believe it looks this professional. Like my confidence is through the roof. So we might need to tone it down a notch. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like these bags as much as I do because I think this design is so cute, and thank you so much for Cool Stitches for your amazing tutorials. Please go check her out if you haven't already. I'll leave her links in the description box. And I wanted to do something for you guys. So this bag that you see on the screen right now is going to be available on my Etsy shop. You guys know I sell scrunchies over there, so of course this bag had to come with a matching scrunchie. And the black mini bag is going to be available for a giveaway on my Instagram as well. So don't forget to go follow me over there. Subscribe to my channel, you know the drill. And we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!